Hello, I'm Joel Joseph, the founder and chairman of the Made in the USA Foundation. When I visited Puerto Rico years ago, I was impressed by the excellent taste of the coffee produced there, as well as the friendliness of the people and the beauty of the island. However, I could never find Puerto Rican coffee in the mainland United States. After the devastation of Hurricane Maria, I wanted to help Puerto Rico rebuild. Why not rebuild and expand its fabulous coffee farms? I'm a lawyer who has written legislation for the federal government and the state of California. I can create San Juan Cappuccino to help make Puerto Rican coffee famous the world over and rebuild Puerto Rico at the same time. I've started many successful businesses and nonprofit organizations. The Made in the USA Foundation, I started 30 years ago and it's still thriving. It has had a newsletter for 30 years, successfully passed legislation, and advocated for factories made in the USA, as well as farms. I'm basically a problem solver. I organized a class action case. Actually, I've organized many successful ones, but the one I'm most proud of is the Hungarian gold train case. After World War II, property was taken from Hungarians by the Nazis and the Arrow Cross in Hungary, and was later found in the possession of the United States Army. After uncovering documents from the archives, I filed suit on behalf of the survivors, and we recovered multi-millions of dollars. And this money went to the survivors in the United States and elsewhere, especially those who needed medical assistance. I also started the Washington Area Bicyclists Association in Washington, D.C. 40 years ago. This organization is still thriving, having helped to build hundreds of miles of bike paths in the metropolitan Washington area. I also started National Press Books, a for-profit business. This company successfully published more than 100 books by senators and well-known people such as Dr. Benjamin Spock, Reverend Jesse Jackson, and others. Puerto Rico needs an engine for its rebirth. Puerto Rican coffee has a 300-year history that needs recognition and respect. San Juan Cappuccino can help rebuild Puerto Rico through this coffee brand. Parallel 18 is the perfect partner for San Juan Cappuccino. We need to develop good relations with coffee growers in Puerto Rico. We need to develop a presence in San Juan and other cities in Puerto Rico to open coffee shops, to roast and grind coffee beans. We need help building a website to sell these products online as well. Parallel 18 can help with all of these goals, and I look forward to working with Parallel 18. Thank you very much.